Hello. I've had this knife now from Victorinox for about 5 years. It's still very sharp, very good for food prep. I've always liked it. I saw a couple of weeks ago they released a new version. It's the same thing, but it folds. It's made by Victorinox, as I said. I bought it from the Swiss knife shop, but you can buy it from all sorts of different places. It comes in this blister pack. Weighs 1.5 ounces. Quick rundown on the specs. 4.3-inch length blade. It's a slip lock. It has a slight springiness to it, which is nice, sort of like a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Very lightweight, 1.5 ounces. It's a liner lock, but instead of pushing on this side, you push on this side, which is a little bit unusual. Maybe that's good for left-handed people. You can get used to it pretty quickly, though. Let's see, it comes in orange, yellow, pink, green, red, or black. I went with orange because I thought it would be good for a survival kit. It's also the color of my favorite Fiskars scissors. Blade length 4.3 inches. The handle is made of polypropylene, dishwasher safe, and lifetime warranty. We're going to test it out on a bunch of different materials because I believe I have the first review of it on the web. Woohoo! It was released at the end of last month. So first we're going to test it out on this bagel. Effortlessly cuts through the bagel, which is real nice. How about paper? Yep. Razor sharp, even good for paper, even though it's a serrated knife, which is unusual. Here's a Leatherman pouch that I don't need anymore. Cuts through it like butter. Here's safety belt. Again, cuts through it effortlessly. And finally, here's heavy-duty climbing rope. Just takes seconds. Hope I didn't get any on my bagel. So it's a razor sharp knife. Cuts through absolutely anything. Very lightweight. Maybe not just good for kitchen, camping, hiking, and camping and whatnot, but also survival. Thanks for watching.